And now we're going to talk about slicing our Swiss cheese for our crescents. We're going to need about a cup of Swiss cheese. So we're going to go ahead and take our fresh block of cheese and we're going to cut a piece off. We'll set this to the side. Now we're actually going to do thin strips of cheese. I prefer doing this for these instead of shredding the cheese. But it's your crescent appetizers, so do what you want. This I find easier to place on there and wrap around. We're going to need about a cup of this. And once again, I always like to buy in bulk because it saves money in the long run. When you're doing this, if you know you'll be using Swiss cheese later for burgers or whatnot, then you can go ahead and slice up some more while you have it out. That'll save your prep time for later. You just want to slice this. Get a cup here if you want to measure, just to make sure you have a cup of cheese. Probably go ahead and use the rest of this just to be safe. And every time I have a party, friends always come up while I'm cooking anyway and take my cheese, so it's always nice to have a little bit extra on hand. And there you go, your Swiss cheese.